Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for joining. For those of you that seen my previous video on the OHO Sunshine glasses, the video quality was amazing at 4K, but the footage was not stabilized. But the OHO Sunshine company has resolved that issue by creating this product here. This has video stabilizing built into it. You're still able to take photos, photochromic lens on it, and they look pretty amazing. Stay tuned as we review the OHO Sunshine PrimeX EIS sunglasses, and I'm going to put it to the test right after this. Let's jump right into it. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video and also share it out. It's to truly help out my channel and helps me as I continue to march on the road to 100K subscribers. The OHO Sunshine PrimeX EIS camera glasses, Ultra HD with image stabilizer, and definitely looking forward to testing these out. Again, it records in 2K. Of course, you can take pictures with it. And on top of all that, they're awesome sunglasses. Get a nice thank you card inside. It's nice that a hard shell case is included. I'll zip this here. It has a nice microfiber pouch that you can keep it inside. Charging cable, which is type A to type C. Adapter here, which is type A female to type C. Microfiber cloth that you can wipe the lens with, and a set of instructions here. I love the fact that it does work by connecting this to your phone. Pretty awesome. Let's take a look at the glasses themselves. It's very nice. Power button at the bottom there. LED status light. Charge port. Pretty nice. Camera lens here, right in the center. And these are shades, as you can see here. So you can see your eyes, but again, it does block the sun out, which is pretty awesome. This is a photochromic lens, which is built for all-day comfort. I love the color tone of the lens. If you wanted to wear this while attending a sport event, enjoy the sport event in real time, but at the same time be recording in case you want to relive the moment or maybe build a highlight reel. You can wear these and be good to go. And with the built-in stabilizer, turning your head or jumping up, getting excited during that sport event, it will keep the video running smooth because of the built-in stabilizer. Now to power these on, it's quite simple. That button there, just press and hold it for about 2 seconds. That light comes on, then it vibrates 3 times and starts to flash. When it's flashing, it's recording. If you wanted to take a picture, just press that button once. You're gonna see a blue light and then it snaps the photo. And to power it off, you just hold it down for a couple seconds and the light turns off. That's simple. And these are also water and sweat resistant. So if you sweat a lot, or let's say it starts to sprinkle outside from rain, for it covered, you're able to record this and charge at the same time. So if I plug that in, and let's say I wanted to plug this into my phone or even a power bank, plug in this adapter. As you can see, it's charging. I power it on. It's recording and charging. Storage wise, it comes in 4 different sizes. This is the 64 gigabyte version, but you can get it all the way up to 512 gigabytes. This is in comparison from the last one I reviewed a few years ago. This has more of a matte finish. With that stated, I'm going to go ahead and take this outside, ride my bike and do a test run. It's going to be my first time recording, so I have no idea how the footage is going to look like. So I have no idea how the stabilizer is going to work with the video or even the comfort level while wearing these. So let's go outside. You can see how it looks on my face while I'm wearing them. Let's hope that the stabilizer function stabilizes the video, and I will also snag a few photos and let's see how all that looks. As you can see, the weather forecast out here is extra spicy. And here's a close shot of me wearing the sunglasses. Coming up shortly, you will be seeing some video footage and photo images captured from the OHO Sunshine PrimeX EIS sunglasses. During that time, I would not be talking, but I will have some background music playing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. So what do you all think? I definitely think it did a great job stabilizing the video. I mean, riding a bike, you hit a few bumps, twists and turns. I move my head around and the video seems pretty stable. The photo images look pretty amazing to me as well. So all in all, I definitely think it's a step up from the old version, as this one does not have any type of video stabilizer built into it, which this one does. So OHO Sunshine is definitely headed in the right direction. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you're interested in purchasing a pair of these sunglasses, use the link in the description section of my video, but this completes my review of the OHO Sunshine PrimeX EIS sunglasses.